Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV, ka undi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Federation of all school teachers of Meghalaya will start their agitation with a march.
Kina ka school ad hoc hagadila kibidan hapok kasatri janga Federation of all school teachers of Meghalaya hagajingalang kabelong hakakalaitrik Nailur arajar apusan hadoba si para harilum garu Kyllaiñ mikarawin penlong dagajingalang paitba Madan Malki Shillong hakapu atrik Nailur arajar apusan bat ban penbut pan dagajinga Shong Myngngor mit labat sengi ban penbor ka sarkar bukan penurlong dagajing dawajang gini ka school ad hoc Ubabusan bon jungai ubulong Vice President jangko Fastom Central Body haukurwo bapha shikilar pathai khubor rengka baki video uloong bahagaru hills kajinga Shong Myngngor kebaklambu por kan sedang hakar pusat truk Nailur arajar apusan Naduh kapor katwe bejem step hatura
Kasi Kyllaiñ Tarik mentau benai bakandai arajar apusan mulai lum pagdalang hangi po Madan jangka school dubasi para higher secondary school po tura ia kikir dun kay ad hoc kebag sarkar kalale kelep haya do diri por ke pemerintah mari bisnam di kolek ni oru la nakapor la ya pasang dan wanra kata kajing terlang ke pasuku jembut rengkat do sarkar yang bangila menaga je sri ke bahok mulai pasang ke bangila mulai ikemban ke ba ke sarkar ni ta ke bingor ni ke ba kala ban wanra ban pen slotanat langi ban pen yahap ya kajing terus hitam jing bar kajing yo tulop jing ere ke khidmat pemerintah khlam ka nang dalam mesin ke bakyai rai ba air khidmat pemerintah election negeri senjam kiba kiba senni khidmat ba haka Tarik dulu pernah pemerintah ini Shong ya ni pelang ya kajing lang tebak apa Malki ground apa Shillong aku akan bagi jim step Nanta partan buat sakajing Shong Myngngor si batniat apo Shillong aka Naduh aku Tarik berkunjuru ang ni apo tura Naduh ka pusau Tarik ini di senjam kiba nihaban sim bagajing bambanse nihaban ya syakmat ya di program kiba ya pikir entah dan gerparu ya ki parang ikai bat ia kita ba bro begini ai tiga man kiri yang bin pesan ya kada gijing ia kena kejing kunjungi yang bagi tanggungi tempoh share budget misbun
13 September 2025 we held the general body meeting here in Doba Sipara playground. Regarding the general meeting, we had already given a press conference right from the 2nd of September that if the government of the day does not invite us or does not do anything regarding the demands of the Federation, we will take a decision as and when the ad hoc school teachers will start the agitation program. So today, after a series of discussion, the Federation of all school teachers of Meghalaya, we take one unanimous decision, and the decision was that we will go ahead with the agitation program, which will start from 22nd of September 2025 in Shillong. The agitation program will start with a mass rally from Malki ground at 11 a.m. followed by an indefinite sit-in demonstration. That is, the ad hoc teachers in Shillong will spend their restless night in the streets on the 22nd itself indefinitely. And the teachers in Garo Hills will start the indefinite sit-in demonstration on the 24th September 2025. So the Federation of all school teachers of Meghalaya, why we took this unanimous decision? The main reason was that the demand of the ad hoc schools had been kept pending by the government for decades. We had been demanded for the upgradation of all schools to the deficit system. And if not to the deficit system, at least the government should upgrade the school to the pattern deficit, that is the pay scale plus other allowances. As an ad hoc teachers, we felt that we have every right to demand from the government. Why? Because ad hoc teachers had been contributed to the state in terms of education right from the year 1980s, 1990s till date, and will continue to do so. For example, in the previous data or statistics which was released by the Directorate of School Education and Literacy, that is DSEL, we saw that the ad hoc teachers had really contributed to the state. For example, according to the statistics, in the secondary and higher secondary section, there are around 118,000 in the state of Meghalaya who studies in different schools. Out of these 118,000, 12,500 are in the government schools and 1,500 are in the private unaided schools. And nearly 104,000, they are the students who studies in the grant in aid schools, that is the deficit, and the ad hoc schools. Which means at the end of the day, we know that ad hoc schools had contributed a lot in terms of education. But the only difference is the salary when we compare with other teachers of the state. So, if the government of the day does not listen to our demand of upgradation, the indefinite agitation will continue to go on, and after 3 or 4 days, which means that we will still put pressure on the government by announcing, we can say, more agitation. Now, if we talk about the difference between the government teachers and the ad hoc school teachers, there are no differences. If we talk about the norms, the conditions set by the department, if we talk about the qualification, it is the same only. But why the difference in the salary? We are only asking from the government to provide an equal pay for equal work. At present, in the state of Meghalaya, we have around 8,000 ad hoc teachers. We had been rendered service, and we hope the state government of the day, we request them, we appeal to them, we urge them, they will take up immediate steps and measures to solve the problems of the ad hoc teachers, which was kept pending right from many decades. And we hope the government of the day will listen to our appeal and request and do the required work.